Is it a good idea to microwave this?
Doing it. Ooh. Ah.
This is exciting. May want to stop it anytime now.
Well, it has to hit another color. Jeez.
Whoa!
Stopping, stopping.
What's that?
We should probably evacuate, let it air out for a couple of minutes. Yeah, it does smell weird in here. But it kind of smells like someone burnt ramen, so... Shit. This doesn't have the pressure required. I'm gonna go in with the steel shield.
This is what's left of the light bulb. It won't work anymore. I don't know why you'd have to heat up a light bulb. I know why you'd want to heat up a light bulb, because it's a really cool light show, but I don't see why you need to. Because this won't work anymore. It's not a very good idea to microwave a light bulb. So, see you next time.